Hi, my name is Nicolas, I'm the French e-reader guy, and today we will talk about a new Kobo e-reader, new Kindle e-reader with color electronic ink screen. So as you may know, there are rumors, I don't know how to say this word. So there's a speculation on the internet about new Kobo Color e-readers, and I think it is fake news because I don't think Kobo is ready to launch two new e-readers with color e-ink screen. Maybe one. I think the Kobo Sage is a good candidate for an electronic ink color e-reader, e-screen, but I don't think Kobo will launch that. I think it's just a speculation, and none of it is true. But of course, we'll see new Kobo e-readers in 2024. Maybe a new Kobo Libra 2, a new Kobo Nia, and a new Kobo Sage. Also, if you want to know more about e-readers, there are links to the website in the description. Next, there's also speculation about a new Kindle Color e-reader, and I think it will happen. Maybe later this year for Christmas, but I think it will be in 2025 because, as you may know, there are not a lot of stock of e-ink screen because as you may know, the factories of electronic ink screen in Asia don't have a good capacity for manufacturing color electronic ink screen, so it's difficult to buy color electronic ink screen on the market. There's of course the Pocketbook Inkpad Color 3, which is a good e-reader, but it is almost out of stock every day. I think it will be a new Kindle Oasis, but with a color screen. It may be also a Gallery 3 screen and not a Kaleido screen from this Pocketbook. And if you want to buy an high-end color e-reader, you have of course the Pocketbook Inkpad Color 3. But if you want a good black and white electronic ink screen, you don't have to wait. There is plenty of good e-readers on the market and you can go to the website. Bye!